Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and recently I went to BlytheCon and I got to meet, sit still, Fritz.
He can't see. He was just leaning forward.
Yeah, I guess that's it. I got to meet Shawna from Unique 37 US. She's one of my good subscribers, and she is the nicest person. She bought me gifts. Yep, there is something else in here. And, oh, look at that. Oh, look at these. She lives in South Carolina and has invited me down. And I'm going to tell you what, if we get that way, we are going to go have dinner with her and her husband because we got to meet him too. I got to meet her at BlytheCon. And like I said, just the nicest person. Oh, what a lovely card. Hi, Marna. Thank you again for your kindness. Sending you a little something from Wonderland of Clay. I stopped sewing years ago, so I want to share this fabric with you. Ooh, thank you, but you might change your mind on sewing. I know you will create something beautiful with it. These bracelets also came in the gift bag. Your Dolly friend and subscriber, Shawna, Unique 37 US. If you are not subscribed to her channel, catch her on Instagram. She does more there than on YouTube. Lovely paper. Oh, thank you. How nice is this? Oh, aren't these cute? Now, they must have got these in their goodie bags. Let's see. That is from, I don't have my glasses on. Let me get my glasses. They're right here. I am an old lady now.
You stop moving, I'd read it for you.
LetVonDolls.com. Well, isn't that cute? I'm not sure what the band is. I'm thinking it's a headband. Oh, that's cute. And the little beads and such. And then this beautiful fabric. These, oh gosh, that's gorgeous. That is really beautiful. I like this too. Don't misunderstand, but you know, Christmas season and all. Can you see it, Fritz? And aren't these cute little cards that they put in? And each one that they put in in a doll with a dress on that matches the fabric. Thank you so much, Shawna. Today, we're going to call a name for our holiday cheer. And what that means is I say a name of a channel who is one of my subscribers, an active subscriber that is subscribed, obviously, likes my videos and watches my videos and leaves comments. You all know this one. I'm betting you're all subscribed. But I'm going to say J Dolls UK. I want you to know that Jay was the most welcoming in this community when I first started getting involved and got into Blythe Dolls. She is a Wonder Woman, just like you see on her channel. Just go by and leave her an additional comment today saying holiday cheer. If you are not subscribed to her channel, be sure and do that too. Go through her likes and leave a like on each, go through her comments, leave a like on each one. And what that does, the more likes, the more comments, and the more subscribers, you're lifted up higher in the algorithm and you get out there more. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thank you, Shawna.